Welcome to Ingram Micro's award-winning podcast, B2B Tech Talk, where we deliver insights into the trends, innovations, and technologies driving the B2B tech world forward. With each episode, our goal is to inspire you to expand horizons, forge new paths to growth, discover the benefits of new technologies, and provide insight into how you can achieve the highest customer satisfaction along the way. Welcome back to B2B Tech Talk, where we dive deep into the latest trends and insights in the tech industry. Today, we're thrilled to have a very special guest with us, Sanjib Sahoo. Sanjib is an award-winning technologist, a thought leader in digital transformation and AI, and currently Executive Vice President and Chief Digital Officer at Ingram Micro. With a passion for innovation and an impressive track record in creating cutting-edge digital strategies, Sanjib brings a wealth of knowledge and a unique perspective on the evolving role of technology in today's business landscape. I'm here with my friend, the mastermind of Xvantage, Sanjib Sahoo. It's so good to see you.
Absolutely. Always a pleasure to see you, Nina.
Absolutely. Okay, so I heard some things yesterday. You were on stage, and again, you bring such great energy, but you switched your focus a little bit. Great things are happening with Xvantage, and we'll get to that. But we were talking a lot about AI, and we were talking about thinking big and acting small. What does that mean?
What it means is that you can think big. And if you want to really go big with AI without understanding how mature your business is, you're going to fail. We try to run behind an AI strategy and not understand that we have to focus on our business strategy and understand capabilities of AI and move in small iterations. So that's what it's called think big, act small, define the new, explain the next, fail fast and move on.
So, do you think partners should be like drinking their own champagne? Like they should be starting with their own business first before they start rolling this out to their customers?
Yeah, absolutely. There is two ways. One, how to use AI and how to sell AI. Now, do not look at as an AI that you are obligated to do something with AI. The partner should look at it that what are the top 3 or 4 business problems they have. Everybody wants to be more efficient, optimize their OPEX, grow revenue. And how does the new capabilities of AI, either machine learning, deep learning, Gen AI, fit in there? Take a use case and solve it. And if you cannot solve it, no worries, take help, take partner. That's where Xvantage fits in. We have invested a lot of effort, in building Xvantage using the AI, and you can do that. Other option is selling AI. The partners need to understand that AI is an ecosystem. You do not sell AI in isolation. How do you take those solutions and talk to their end customers for the problem? So do not sell AI. Sell the outcome of a business problem using AI. That's the mindset change.
Jim Ann's yesterday said, you don't get rollover minutes in your day. What did he mean by that?
It means that you really cannot actually have spending time on an activity and you can take the time tomorrow because speed is money, time is money, and you got to act fast. 75% of the data loses value in days, 50% in hours. The speed for pricing, billing, automation is very important. So we should free up time and then you can reinvest that time to grab more business. You don't get to use that time tomorrow because time flies away and we need to have speed in our business.
So, what do you think? I've been reading a lot, different stories about AI and the impact on the energy sector. Like, do we have enough power? Are we going to have enough power to be able to support all of these data centers that are going to have to move this data? What's your thought on that?
Yeah, I mean, I think it depends, like there's a thought process of AI is computing, storage, it's a chip, it's a GPU, the multiple components. My thought is that we should not just think about everything AI. AI is nothing new. It came in 1950s. You will see much more solidification of the use cases and the hype going down and really being more real. And I think it will improve the way we compute, storage, computing, data centers, but it also blurred the value chains going forward.
I want to switch to Xvantage because I think the last time you and I spoke, you told me we were moving to a sprint a day. Are we there yet? And what is that? What is it? What's happening? What kinds of things are we releasing?
We are sprinting every day.
Amazing.
It doesn't matter you sprint or not sprint. We are sprinting every day. We are releasing software, every time, fixing every time. We have speed. We are moving very fast. What is today is not the same as tomorrow in Xvantage, not in 30 days. We are learning. Recently, we learned how we can use AI to automate email to order. And we implemented it fast. So we are learning every day, calibrating, fixing things, and working on it together. Our goal is to work with the partners, get feedback, learn from the algorithms, and improve. Listen, we did not start with an AI story right now. We started with a business problem to build a platform using the data with AI as a foundation 2 years ago. And now you are seeing the fruition of it coming to fruition.
Incredible. And congratulations to you and the team for getting there, because this was just a few short months ago when I asked Sanjib. We were out in Irvine, I believe, and this was in August. And you said, oh yeah, our goal is to get to a sprint a day. And here it is early in November and you're already there. That's massive. I did ask, there was a friend of mine is here and he has a development team. And I said, what does it mean to go a sprint a day? He said, it's a monumental feat, a monumental feat. So
It's not about sprinting every day. It's about you have the ability to be agile,
yeah,
to deploy code anytime you want, fix things in real time, and have the agility to take feedback of issues from your partners and fix it all the time. That's what it means. You always do not have to fix things every day or deploy every day, but you are ready to do that whenever
right,
you want.
right. That's incredible. So I need to share this with you because, and I'm going to get emotional here. You told me to keep it real. I'm going to keep it real here, my friend. 2.5 years ago, you were my first interview here at, I believe it was at,
The Cloud Summit.
yeah, it was at GCIS, and we were in Las Vegas. And actually, I wasn't going to be interviewing you. Our wonderful, brilliant Jananaya was going to interview you, and she got called away. And so I stepped in, and I remember you telling me just before we had walked in to the booth here, what was important to you. I overheard you saying that fashion, passion, compassion, and execution were important to you. And you told me these lovely stories. But that interview opened the door for so many other interviews for me. And I want to thank you so much
Absolutely. Thank you so much.
for that opportunity. So
Thank you.
getting
You
back to
deserve it.
so getting back to fashion, passion, compassion, and execution. Still, and those are the four pillars that you hold important.
Yeah, I mean, its pillars are important. What is important is, you know, be humble, be human. You know, when the chips are high, don't be complacent. And when the chips are down, don't be broken.
I, I will close with this. And one thing that always moves me about you is you always bring the importance of humanity into IT and how we actually have become more human as a result of everything that's happening around us. And we're the ones that can influence the direction of where things are going. It's not happening to us, it's happening with us, and we're driving it, right? And thank you for doing that, because with an audience of people that they're scared. They're all small business owners and they're scared and concerned. And when you bring that element of trust into the conversation, it gives them comfort. So well done on
Thank you
that.
so much. Appreciate it.
And thank you. Thank you for everything. It has been such an honor to sit at this desk with you and do all the interviews that we've done. It has been amazing.
Thank you. Thank you. Appreciate it. Thank you so much.
We hope you enjoyed this episode of B2B Tech Talk. Let's keep the conversation going by following Ingram Micro on social media using hashtag B2B Tech Talk.